Does life have a purpose?
Mhm. My answer to that question would be only if God exists. If God does not exist, then I think life has no purpose. Mankind as a race, and indeed the entire universe, is doomed to extinction in the eventual thermodynamic death of the universe. As the universe expands, it grows colder and colder as its energy is used up. Eventually, all the stars will burn out and all the matter in the universe will collapse into dead stars and black holes. Eventually, the universe will just be a thin soup of elementary particles expanding into the infinite darkness of outer space. And there is no escape from that on a naturalistic view of the world. So, what that means is that the purposes that we invent for our lives, the things we do that we uh, hope to achieve, are ultimately all evanescent. In the end, they don't make one bit of difference, not one bit. Everything will simply wind up the same no matter what we do. So, in the absence of God, there really is no objective purpose for living, even if we make believe and invent subjective purposes for our lives.